Hey there, fellow word explorers. Today, we're going to uncover a small yet profoundly wise secret hidden within the vast system of Oracle Bone script. We're talking about those seemingly insignificant small dots, or short lines. You might think, what's so special about just a dot or a line? But they are far from mere decoration. They are a profound embodiment of ancient Chinese wisdom in character creation. First, let's revisit the characters for Shang, up, and Xia, down, that we explored earlier. You'll notice that in their construction, a horizontal line acts as a baseline or reference line, and the small dot or short line, positioned either above or below this line, precisely indicates the relative position to that baseline, directly conveying the abstract spatial concepts of above or below. That's right, this is the most classic example of the indicative Zixi character creation method, and that tiny dot is truly the core of its entire expressive system. Now, let's turn our attention to the Oracle Bone character for Yue Moon. Just by looking at the image, it's not hard to tell that it depicts the outline of a crescent moon. But have you ever noticed that in some forms of Yue, there's a small dot or short line added inside the crescent? When you think about it, these internal dots or lines actually play a crucial finishing touch role. They explicitly designate this symbol as referring specifically to the moon, preventing any confusion with other curved shapes. Clever, right? Following the same logic, let's examine the structure of the character sun. The sun's circular characteristic is universally known, and the Oracle Bone form of is indeed a pictographic representation of a circle. Sometimes, perhaps due to carving techniques or evolution, it even appears as an approximate square frame. But imagine for a moment, if the character only consisted of the outer circle without an internal mark, how could we possibly differentiate it from other circular objects or abstract concepts of circles? Following the same brilliant character creation logic as Yue, the Shang Dynasty creators added a small dot or short line inside the circle, thereby specifically designating this symbol as the sun. So, to sum it all up, the small dot or short line in Oracle Bone script was by no means an arbitrary stroke. It played various, incredibly clever roles in different contexts. It could be the core element for abstract indication, like position in Shang and Xia, or it could be the finishing touch within a pictographic symbol to highlight its essential characteristics, like in Yue and And crucially, it served the practical function of distinguishing similar characters and reinforcing specific references. This ingenious design perfectly demonstrates the ancient Chinese's concise yet precise wisdom in character creation, using the fewest strokes to achieve the greatest expressive effect, maintaining both the simplicity of the symbol system and the accuracy of meaning transmission. This exquisite balance is a truly crucial cornerstone of the long and rich history of Chinese written civilization.